pasta stuffed bell peppers. I'm starting on the filling right now. So I had some onions and garlic that I've been sauteing in a skillet, and I just added chopped up bell pepper, 3 different colors, green, red, and orange. Wait, green, red, orange, and yellow, 4 different colors. I was like, wait, that's 4. But what I chopped was the tops of the peppers. I cut off the tops and then cut around the stem, and that's what I'm putting in the filling. Okay, the peppers and the onions are cooking away, so I'm gonna add Italian sausage right in. And then I'm gonna break this up and cook it. It's gonna take about 5 minutes or so for it to totally brown. Okie doke, that didn't take too long. So the sausage is all brown and the veggies are cooking away. So I'm gonna make a big old delicious mixture out of this. So I've got some cooked ditalini, which is just a little tiny pasta, little tubes. And then a jar of marinara sauce, any kind you like. And then ricotta cheese. So this is basically how I make baked ziti, where it's kind of got a creamy ricotta marinara sauce. And then a little bit of mozzarella. I've got a lot of things going on, but I've got plans for the rest of this, so I don't want to use it all. The heat is off under this mixture, and then I just need to stir it together. And it's sort of saucy and creamy. And the pasta, you want to make sure just to cook not as long as al dente. You want it to have quite a bit of bite to it because it's going to continue to cook in the oven. Yum! Now, in a perfect world, you would let this cool a bit, but life is not perfect. And we're always in a hurry to get food in our bellies. So I'm going to start stuffing the peppers. And I've got the 4 colors of bell pepper, cut the tops off. I kind of pulled out the innards, the seeds and membranes. The tops are in the filling. So I'm gonna fill the first one, and you can basically just fill it as full as you can. You wanna get into the corners of the pepper. But how good does this sound?
Those are big peppers.
They are big peppers. Ah, look at that.
Yum.
Crazy. It's a world gone mad. And then a little bit more mozzarella on top. All right, that's 1 pepper filled. Now I'm gonna fill the rest. Okay, these are gonna go into the oven. So I'm actually gonna pour just a little bit of water into the bottom of the dish. It's gonna help the peppers kind of steam and cook, so the peppers will be soft and tender by the time the dish comes out of the oven. All right, let's go to the oven. Okay, I'm gonna bake this covered at 350 degrees for 25 minutes, and then I'll take the foil off and finish cooking it for another 15. Here they are, the finished peppers. I mean, there's so much deliciousness going on inside of these peppers, and it's so fun to get them on a plate and just start cutting into all of that magic. So it does need a little bit of green on top, so I've got some parsley and some basil. Look at this. Woo, pasta stuffed peppers. I love the spin on my old favorite.